Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up email rules in Outlook. This is incredibly useful for automatically organizing your inbox, filtering messages into specific folders, or flagging important emails so you never miss what matters most. To get started, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures that all your folders and settings are accessible and ready for configuration. Once your inbox has loaded, head to the Home menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. From here, locate and click on Rules. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down selection, click on Manage Rules and Alerts. This opens the control center where you can create, edit, and manage all your automated email rules. A Rules and Alerts window will now appear on your screen. This is where all your existing rules are listed and where you'll create new ones. To begin setting up a new rule, click on New Rule. This action launches the Rule Wizard, which is a step-by-step assistant designed to help you build your rule without any confusion. In the Rule Wizard, you'll see a list of templates and conditions you can choose from. These conditions determine when the rule will activate. For example, you might want to move emails from a specific sender or flag messages with certain keywords in the subject line. Browse through the options and select the condition that matches what you're trying to achieve. Once you've made your selection, click Next to move forward. The next screen will ask you to set the action. This is what Outlook will do when the condition you selected is met. Actions can include moving the email to a specific folder, marking it as read, forwarding it to another address, or even deleting it automatically. Choose the action that fits your workflow and click Next again. You may be prompted to refine your rule further by adding exceptions or naming it something recognizable. Follow the prompts and make any adjustments you need. When everything looks good, simply click Finish. Your new rule is now active and will start organizing your emails automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set up email rules in Outlook to automate your inbox and save yourself time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.